Hi, what if I say next Prime Minister or the President of all over the world would be elected by the internet community? I repeat, by the internet community. If you don't believe me, yes, it will be elected by the internet community, and especially in the country like India where there is a democracy. Okay? And if you do not understand this game plan of business and the internet community, then you should watch this video where I started by step 2, step 1, step 2, and this is the step 3 what we are going to see. And if you do not know what is going to come in coming days, you should know what is the business trend is going and what is the trend we are going to face and how we can influence becoming a internet community or by collaborating between an internet community. Okay, so let's see what is the game plan of business and what is coming up now and how we can monetize with it and influence others. My name is Manish Bhandari and I influence myself to influence others, and I am here to tell you the online business trend and how you can scale up and monetize it for your future. So people, this is you and this is your from A to B, from A to B. Now many people are going in the same mode. This is our life. Many people are going it. Everyone making our money, okay? But 96% are making the same money online or offline the way they are making, but only 4% people are making it very fast, because some people are going by walk, some people are going by walk, some people are going by cycle, okay? Some people are going by cycle. Now some people are going by car and some people are going by flight. Okay? Now it's depend on you. My drawing is very horrible. Now it's depend on you how fast you want to go. Okay? Now even the labor, he does million in his life. Okay, but after earning for 40 or 50 years of time. But there is a rich who makes millions in 1 year because he understands the game, he understands the business, he understands what trend is coming, and he observes that, consumes that, and he plays games according to that because he knows the foundation, and the 96% will take this path. They don't know. Just walking, whatever comes, it will be there going in. So what is the game plan? I'll tell you what's happening in every field. There is a 80-20 rule. If you are not seeing my 4% video, then I will try to explain in this also. If this is our world, 80% people are like this. Okay? They will be doing what they are doing like any other. They will be like a sheep following each other. And there is a 20% people are the people who knows what they want and they think something to achieve something better than the 80% people, and they go for it. Okay? Now in this 20%, in this 20% of the 20% is the 4%. Is the 4%. Now these people are fantasy people. Hope you remember the first step where we have fantasy people. They know what they want and whatever happens, they will try for it. Okay? These are the people who are very fast, who are adopting things, and you see from the history, all the money will be only 4%. It's a proven math that 4% people have the 96% amount with the 4% people. You see any industrialist. You see any industrialists in India also, there are 4 or 5 industrialists where they have a money. Tata, Ambani, Birla, Jindal, only 4 or 5 names, it will come quickly to your mouth. So because they have the 96%. See about the tax. If you minus the child under 18 and the under 14 and the people above 80 who are not working or not started earning, and the 100 crores people, how many people pay taxes? Only 4.5, 4 and 4.5. So that's a 4%. So any field, it's a math. And again, take about the politics. How many ministers are there in central government? There are 49 ministers. Okay. And if you take 4% of it, who dominates? Who dominates? Who are that 4%? What is the 4% of 49 people? That is 2 number it comes. Out of 49, if you take 4%, it's 2 people. Who are the 2 people who are dominating the today's politics present? They are the Home Minister and the Prime Minister. Whatever happens, they will be praised. Whatever wrong happens, they will be blamed for it. The 2 people are, anything news comes, they will be dominates the whole politics currently, whatever happens in India. Okay. Even in the nature, when you see the nature, this 80% are the sheep. It will be following only each other. Whether one sheep, the front sheep goes where all the sheep will follow and start eating that particular grass, the plants only. Okay. And whereas the 20% people are like the single animals, you can say python, you can say the tiger, panther. When they get hungry, they hunt, and if they get it, they eat and they sleep until and unless they get hungry for the next time. So whether they catch the hunt or they don't catch it, they just try, they hustle, and they sit back. But the 4% people, if you see in the nature, is the queen honeybee. It's not all the bee, but the queen honeybee. See, in the hive of the queen also there is a 80-20 principle. Whereas all the worker bee are the 80% people who goes and work, who get the juices from the flower and makes a honeybee, comes and put in a hive. And there is a 20% of the male honeybee in the hive who just mate with the queen honeybee and protects this honey. And there is a queen honeybee who doesn't do any work. It does only produces the baby around 1000 to 1500 for a day. Okay. And it dominates the whole hive. It makes the 80% bees to work and 20% bees to make a guard. So 96% it dominates. So here also the 4% people in any field, if you see, any industry, anywhere where all the money is with the 4% people of the whole world. Okay. So this is the concept applies, and if you want to dominate, you have to become a 4%. 80% follows, 20% achieves, and 4% dominates. Okay, now we are talking about the game plan. What is the trend? What is coming up? And how you can collaborate and monetize it for your survival if you want to grow and survive in this online industry. So let's see the history, because foundation is very important, as we said. And we will see the foundation, what was the era of the business from 0 to till now. Okay. So from let me rub this. So from 0 to 1750, what was the era? It was the era of agriculture. Now those who had land between 0 to 1950, all the people who had land, they were wealthy. Okay? Those who had land, they were wealthy. So land is equal to wealth. There was no opportunity for the laborers. The people who had land, they were wealth. They were considered as the wealthy people, and the other people didn't had any opportunity because they didn't had anything. There was no opportunity. There was only whether you have a goat, farm, land. That's all. And what was the era after 1750 to 1950. In this era, the industries came. the Tata came, the Ford car started coming in. So this was the machine era. And whoever has machine was called as a wealth. So in this era, little opportunity got for other people, where here we didn't had any opportunity, but here we got little opportunity because machine started taking over. So whatever the people who has built the industry, they said, why you are working for 12 hours in a land, you work for my industry for 8 hours and I will give you good amount with a retirement. So here retirement word also is added. Please ignore the spelling. And after 1950 to 1978, this era is called distribution. Now this era was like outlets. So whoever has in the small entrepreneurs, the small shops, the provision stores, all these kirana shops and all been started, and the small chain outlets started coming to spreading all over the world. Like example, so outlet, if you have, you are the wealth considered. So again, more opportunities started from the land to machine to wealth. Okay, more small entrepreneur business people have started. So here was the McDonald, like for example, it started. McDonald. Now from 1978 to 1994. So 1978 to 1994, this was the era of technology. Now this was the era of techno. So whoever was knowing the technology, they were considered as wealthy. What was technology? The people who came with an Apple. The Apple company has started this time mounting up. And the Amazon was not on the internet, but they started selling just started on that era. Microsoft, Bill Gates. So this was the era of Apple and this one, Microsoft. And from 1994 to 2003, this was the era of information. Now how many of we are born in this era from 85 to, I am born in this era, like between this era. So how many of you created a first our email ID in a Yahoo? Okay. Now later it was took over by the Google. So this was the era of tech info. Here you are knowing only the technology, but here was the information. So if you have technology plus information inside, that's where the Google came up, because all the information had the Google. That's why it took over the Yahoo on this. So there was a Google and there was a Amazon came in. Amazon just started selling books. They started a books retail. Okay, so books had the information. That's why they started knowing in the world. So next was the 2003-2010. This is the era of tech info entertainment. It's called tech info entertainment. Now in this era, what you got? You got systems. In this era, what is came in India? I remembered is the Orkut. So 2005, 6, 7 and till 8, I guess it was an Orkut, and this took over. What you are watching me is the Facebook. So Facebook is dominating because they have systemized it, created a system where people get an opportunity, emotion to meet each other, can talk online, to make a friends online anywhere in the world. They have created a system. Okay, this is where Facebook and all is comes in. Facebook. And you know what is the trend is next coming or currently is going from 2010 to current. What is the trend, you know? Where it is going? It is going to be partners and collaboration. Partners and collaboration. So, if you are in this area, what is coming up now is the partners and collaboration. So, you have created a system, but you cannot run a system on alone. You have to collaborate. Now, see why Facebook is collaborating with many other companies. Okay, many other companies. It is giving opportunity to many brands to showcase on their platform, and it is collaborating and monetizing that brand also and Facebook also. What is that? It is, so whoever is doing collaboration, whoever doing is partners, who is building a community, and it also gives a MSI. So this community, now you can say I have a community in a Facebook, I got a Facebook page. It's not a community, because if Facebook want, it can delete anytime your page, because you are in a control of a Facebook. What is it? You can build a community that is a hub online of your own, where paid customer comes to you and they collaborate with you. You collaborate with other companies and build a community. Now my mentor has around 2 lakh people in his community, and it is growing day by day. Okay, and it is not only building a community, but it gives you multi-source of income. It gives you multi-source of income where you can sell anything. If you want, you can sell marker, you can sell this board or anything you can sell for the same customer. You no need to go to find a brand on a different. Why Amazon is so popular now? Because Amazon is collaborating all over world. It got all the small business people who manufacture into their world, and it is able to sell their brand and can monetize it. Same thing Facebook. Facebook has created with a social network initially, the people who have developed the platform. Now same Facebook is monetizing them, that community, and making the money. Now it understands your data, what you are watching and what you are liking. Accordingly it is showing you the ads, and accordingly it knows it people what they want, and it is monetizing it. So it's a time to make a community and to build your own community online, and that is will be happening through Hub. So if you want to survive, and if you don't want to lose your job or business by this coming trend, you need to build a community which can give you multi-source of income by collaborating partners with other company. Okay, so same way, if you have a bigger community, you have a bigger quality, you can influence the elections also. What happened in US last election? The Facebook Mark has been called to court, dragged in court, and said he was answerable whether he had influence or not in first time when Trump was elected, whether he was influential in election because he was showing some ads and some algorithms. See, in India also, if government decides, they can show you whatever you want. It can influence through the visual videos. Same thing, if you have your own platform, you can monetize it however you want. Okay, you can show your ads and you can monetize with the same customer. So the business, if whatever you're doing, first of all you have to go it online, and online you have to partner with the similar businesses of yours, and then you have to build a community accordingly and monetize it with multi source of income. Hope you understand this video. I was little got confused on Bitway, but still I hope you have got it. And please, if you like it, please comment on the box, and you can join my Facebook page 4%, why I deeply make you understand what is this. And please stay with me for this is the third session. Next we are going to see a gold card. Next we are going to hear a goal, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.